Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to open the rice bag by using the string. So what you need to do is tie one of the strings. Keep one loose. Until you have this opening right here. See? Separated. Now you can just go. That's one down. You can also just cut that side. And for one side here. And hold this side here. See, now you can just go like that. That's probably the faster way. Alright, that's it. That's how you open a rice bag using the string. So you can still have the handle with a scissor, or you can just cut this way, whatever you want to do. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.